What's up, YouTube? Got my harness today in the mail. Different injector wires. Paper. Quality don't look too bad. Red and blue connectors. Fuse panel. ABD2 port. Fuse box. 2 relays. 5 fan and fuel pump. L80 transmission. The right injector plugs that I needed. It's actually a really nice harness, I think. This one was 172 bucks. And I got this one on Amazon. 84 Cuddy actually found this one for me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Maybe next video we can get the motor cleaned up and put this bad boy on. Waiting for the computer to come. I ordered that on eBay, so hopefully that works for me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.